Friends, this is Mrs. Morrow. This is the page that I told you guys to do during our whole group Zoom meeting this morning. This is P3, it's lesson 1.1, and this is extra practice, okay? So what we're going to do here is they're giving you 10 frames. We're looking at the number, we're going to draw it in the 10 frames, and then tell whether it's even or odd. This number 15, I know has a 10 and a 5, so I can go ahead and color in that entire 10 frame. And then I need 5 ones. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Now, to tell if a number is even or odd, I look in the ones place, which would be right here. And I'm going to look for buddies. Everybody needs a buddy. I have buddies or pairs right here, but then I have one number that is left out. It is the odd number out, so I know my whole number is odd. Next, I have the number 18. 18, I could take it apart and make it into 10 plus 8. So I know that I need to shade in my entire 10, and then I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, everybody needs a buddy. I'm looking for buddies or pairs. And I have them. All right. And they are, everybody has a buddy, everybody has a pair. So that's going to be an even number. Okay. Now, here's my next 10 frame. My number is 11. I can break that number up into 10s and 1s. It's a 10 and a 1. So I am going to shade in my full 10, and then I just need a 1 in the ones place. 1 in the ones place, okay? So I don't have a buddy or a pair at all, so I know this number is going to be odd, okay? 17, I can break that number up into a 10 and a 7. I'm going to shade in my entire tens frame. And then I need 7 ones. Looking for a buddy or a pair. And I have one odd number out. So that entire number is odd. The number 13, I can break it up into a 10 and a 3. I'm going to shade my entire tens frame. And then I need 3 ones. I've got a buddy here. And then I have an odd number out. This one was left by itself with no buddy or no pair. So I know that number is odd. The last one is 20. 20 can be broken up into 2 tens. So I can shade in both of my tens here. And then in the ones place, this would be the ones place. I can look for buddies or pairs, and that number is going to be even. Mr. Dell has an odd number of sheep and an even number of cows on his farm. Circle the choice that could tell about his farm. I need even cows and odd sheep. So 9 is an odd number. I needed an odd number of sheep, 9 sheep, and an even number of cows. So that first option would be correct. Odds and evens. On the back, I've got some questions. Which of these numbers is an even number? So I need to look for pairs or buddies. This one does not have all pairs or buddies, so I know it can't be that one. This number has pairs. Everybody has a buddy, but I need to check my other options first. This number is not even. It is an odd number, so I know I can eliminate that one. I have an odd number here. It's not an even number, so I know this is my right answer. Which of these numbers is an odd number? Okay, now I'm looking for an odd. This number, everybody has a pair or a buddy. I'm going to eliminate that one. For this number, everybody has a pair or a buddy. I can eliminate it. It's even. Now, this number, not everybody has a buddy. This is an odd number. So I think this is my answer, but I'm going to try this one before I answer. For this number, everybody had a pair or a buddy. That's an even number. I can eliminate it, which means that 7 was my odd number. Which of these numbers is an odd number? I'm looking for pairs or buddies. Everybody has a buddy. That means this is an even number. Everybody has a buddy. This is an even number. I'm looking for an odd number. This number, I think, is an odd number. I think this is my answer. But I'm going to check this last one to make sure. Everybody has a buddy. This is an even number. So that was an odd. This was correct. Which of these numbers is an even number? Checking for pairs or buddies. This is an odd number. It has an odd out. I need an even number. Everybody has a buddy here. I think this is my right answer. This is an even number. But I need to go and finish my pairs first. This is an odd number. It has that odd one out. So that can't be it. This is not a pair at all. That's an odd number. So I know that I was correct and this one was my even number. Which of these numbers is an even number? I'm looking for buddies or pairs. This one is an odd number. It has an odd one left out. That can't be the even number. This one has an odd number left out. That can't be an even number. This one does not have a buddy. It's not a pair. I know that's an odd number. That means that 2 is my only option, and it is an even number. It has a buddy or a pair. All right, last one. Which of these numbers is an odd number? This one is an odd one out. It doesn't have a buddy or a pair. I think this is my right answer, but I need to check and make sure. Everybody has a buddy. Everybody has a buddy. Everybody has a buddy. So I can eliminate these even numbers and know that this was my odd number. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Hopefully you got the same answers that I did. I will see you in the morning for Math Whole Group. Bye, friends.